How to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet on Samsung Android phone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet issue on your Samsung device. So first thing what I want you to do is just head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, just tap on connections. From over here, just tap on your Wi-Fi and just click on this settings over here, and make sure first step, just forget your Wi-Fi just like that, and just click on your Wi-Fi once again and re-enter your password from over here and make sure if it's connecting or not. So I have written my password or re-written my password over here, and I'm trying to reconnect. So in my case it's connecting. If it's still not connected for you, then what you can do is just tap on the settings gear icon over here and just click on this view more over here and select the static under the IP setting over here. And so now what you need to do is just delete all this DNS and just type in 8.8.8.8, and inside DNS2 just type in 8.8.4.4 as the screen says. And once you do all of that, just click on save and check and make sure it's working for you. If it's still not working, what you can do is just tap on this gear icon once again and just click on this view more option over here and make sure you change your randomize MAC to phone MAC in the MAC address type. And if it's still not working, then the final option what you need to do is just head over to your settings once again, and once you're inside here, just scroll down until you find this general management on your Samsung device and just click on reset option from over here. Once you're inside here, just tap on reset Wi-Fi or Bluetooth settings. So just tap on it, and from over here just click on reset settings, which will reset all of your networks completely. You can also reset if you are using mobile data. If it's mobile data not working for you, you can choose that option as well. So once you do all of that, it should successfully work in your case. So you can just restart your mobile device after that and check if it's working or not. So if it's working, you are good to go. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.